Warning, WordPress and Wix sites are being penalized. The leading mobile site builder when it comes to speed and security is now available to WordPress and Wix site owners. This means that you can migrate your current poor-performing site right into MobiFirst and improve its performance, security, and as a result, site rankings. Have peace of mind that you never have to worry about security threats, never have to update your website ever again, never pay recurring hosting, all while knowing your website is performing at its very best, impressing Google and your site visitors with lightning load speeds across all devices. You have to see it for yourself. A euro broken by. You can move your content and start designing your new MobiFirst websites in minutes. There's just a low one-time investment that gets you access to all of this. MobiFirst Migrate Tool, to easily move content, MobiFirst Site Builder, to easily design your sites, MobiFirst Site Templates, choose from dozens and customize, unlimited hosting, yes, for one-time investment, Unmatched Site Security, virtually unhackable, the fastest load speeds on the web. Google loves this, technical support and first-in-class training. We virtually hold your hand, and that is just for starters. You must see all of it to believe it. WordPress and Wix site owners. This is a must-have solution to the problems you've been trying not to tell yourself, thinking there was no solution. But there is. Remember, no recurring hosting, no site updates, no security breaches, and top site performance across every single device. Holy cow. Get the early bird discount now. Thanks.